It's your girl Dre Nicole, and I'm back at you with another video. We're on the road to 50 subscribers, so if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Now, I know I am looking rough, and I do not dare take off this hood. So right now we are on the way to the hair store. I've been wanting a glue-in or sew-in for so long. I just hate that we don't have no hair stores on this side of town. I might be the one to open one up, who knows? Y'all, so why did I pull up to this hair store? I never checked to see if the store was open. Could have been closed, but to my luck, it's open, so let's get in here. Forgot to film while I was in the hair store because I couldn't decide on what hairstyle I wanted. I did eventually settle with box braids. I ended up spending like $51 at the store. These people out here in North Dakota, they drive crazy. It's so weird. The weather for January, February so far this year is kind of suspicious. Anyways, like I said, I'm gonna go in the house and I'll get back to you and I'll show you what products I got and on that jibba jabba. So I got this because it came with how many bundles? 10 bundles. And so that should be just enough. And I do have a little bit of leftover hair from the last time I did my braids. So that's one of the things I got. I got another toothpick home. I did get a crochet needle because your girl's bald head in the back. So I got this gel. The first time I tried it, I fell in love. The only thing that is going to take a while to get used to is the scent. It has tea tree oil in it, which would be the reason why it smells the way it does. This is what it looked like. I got some clips to keep the hair out the way, and then I got some rubber bands. That's basically all the products I'm going to be using today. Alright, y'all, so I got more of my hair done. I'm gonna give y'all a little, don't mind my sister, she up the hair, y'all. So I'm gonna give y'all a little 360, not 360, no, 180. Alright, you guys, so after all the procrastination, I have finally completed my hair. It is currently the next day. And it is 11:32 at night, y'all, so y'all can see I'm a huge procrastinator. This is the mousse that I use, and also the same brand as the gel that I use. And they've been working really good. I'm gonna go ahead and dip my ends now. guys like it. If you were able to stay to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much. Please make sure you subscribe, comment, and hit that bell so that you will be notified whenever I post. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.